Hi guys, I was gifted this 4-channel mirror dash camera from the seller so I could show you all its cool features and how it works. Let's go ahead and open the box so you can see what's inside. Alright, it's all neatly packaged here with some foam and the mirror. It's got clamps to clamp onto your rear view mirror. Comes with a cigarette lighter, GPS, backup camera. Looks like the SD card's already installed it. I'm gonna go hook it up on my truck and show you what it looks like. All right guys, I'm gonna install this rear view mirror dash camera, 4 channels. I'll let you see when I'm done. All right, I got the four channels here. We got the front camera, we got the side left camera, we got the side right camera, and then this one is in the back. So that's what it looks like. And then when you're ready to drive, you can just click that, and now it's back to a normal mirror, but it's still recording. So I'm going to go drive it around the field and show you what the daytime view recording looks like. So I just got done driving around the field. All right, so if you want to view your recordings, then you just hit this little button right there. We'll do the front camera, scroll down, and this is where I was driving through the field. It does have the different, so let's look at the back rear camera here. You can see that's the rear view camera. Let's check out the left camera. Oh, it's got me looking around, not paying attention. Let's check out the right camera. All right. So it's pretty cool. You got 4 cameras in one on this thing. So this is another cool feature. So if you just want to watch your rear camera, so it'll be like your rear view mirror or whatever, but you're actually looking through that camera. So you can watch that. If you want to switch to a different camera and view that, oh, I just got a side-by-side mode. I didn't know I could do that. But let's see. So we can click through all your different settings here. There's all kinds of different settings here. Yeah, and then it switches back to the single. So it'll be like just one single feed. So there's all kinds of different settings with this. So that's front. We just saw left and right and rear. Now it's going to go to the so these are the live view settings right now. So this one's ahead of you and one's in behind you. I'll probably just end up just having it on the one behind you. That's kind of nice. It's kind of like a rear view mirror. But it's good that you have all those options. I'm going to go ahead and park it. And tonight when it gets dark, I'll do a little video of what the footage looks like in the dark. All right, I just drove around my back pasture, and I wanted to show you the video quality. It is in black and white, it looks like, because it's dark and it's really foggy and my headlights aren't very good. So this is the front view, and this is the left view, and this is the right view, and this is the rear view camera. As you can see, this rear view camera with 4 video cameras. We got the front view, the left view, right view, and rear view. recording. It does come with that SD card, so that's pretty handy. A lot of dash cameras like this don't come with the card, but this one does. So if you're in the market to get you a dash camera, go ahead and get this one. It'll record everything for you. Thanks.